What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bandang Sweet Notes guys. First time natin magre-react sa kanilang original song. Ayan, original composition nila guys. Christmas song ito guys. Medyo matagal na tong video na to. Pero kanina nung naghahanap ako ng re-react sa kanilang mga video, nakita ko to guys. Tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang original song na to guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Pinamagatang Come and Celebrate. Naka-green screen sila dito. Ganda ng background, ano?
Wind is blowing with a cold breeze. I hear children everywhere. Laughter and joy always shared
Ganda ng tono, nung kanta.
today. The fathers are bonding with their son. Quarrels and fire already done. People everywhere are having fun today.
Naka-couple shirt pa silang dalawa, oh. Ang cute tignan, ano?
Come celebrate the special day. The child was born to light our way. Set aside the sadness that you feel. It's time to be happy and be real.
Gamit pa ni BJ dito yung kanyang Les Paul na gitara.
The bondings and memories that we shared, the fellowship and gatherings that we all cared, laughter and joy are always shared today.
Napaka-genius talaga ni BJ pagdating sa musika, no? Grabe yung tono, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya ng tono at yung lyrics. Galing.
Come and celebrate the special day. The child was born to light our way. Set aside the sadness that you feel. It's time to be happy and be real. Come and celebrate the special day. The child was born
Pwedeng gawing theme song ng mga mga commercials ting Christmas.
to light our way.
Galing.
Set aside the sadness that you feel. It's time to be happy and be real.
Ayos, may ad-lib din, guys. Ang ganda ng tunog ng guitar effects niya dito, no? Kakaiba yung tunog. Hindi yung parang mga typical na distortion ng tunog. Kakaiba, no? Galing. Galing ni BJ mag-skala sa gitara.
Come and celebrate the special day. The child was born to light our way. Set aside the sadness that you feel. It's time to be happy and be real. Come and celebrate the special day.
Hindi ko lang alam kung meron pa silang ibang composition. Ayan, hanapin natin guys sa susunod. Tignan natin para may react natin.
The child was born to light our way. Set aside the sadness that you feel. It's time to be happy and be real. The special day.
Sana gumawa rin sila ng mga original song nila, no? At para pasikatin din nila.
This Christmas day. This Christmas
Lalo't magaling mag-compose si BJ at mag-arrange ng kanta.
day.
Yakang-yakan niya lang yun.
This Christmas day. This Christmas day.
Grabe. Ang lupit ng banda Sweet Notes. Anong masasabi nyo guys sa kanilang original composition? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys ang inyong mga reaction sa ating comment section. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin nyo kanilang mga cover song, original song na napakagaganda guys. At kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong klase reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating munting channel para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-react. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.